What's up, world? Welcome back to Radical Investors, where we talk about stocks, crypto, NFTs, and all the ways how to get to the money. I'm Wasu.
I'm Hamed.
And today we're talking about Bloody Wednesday.
Man.
Blood on the streets. Oh my God, what is happening?
Yeah, guys, today was intense. I mean, there was no market that was safe. The crypto market was completely down.
The market is so bad, I don't even get a what let's go out of him.
Right, just right into the blood.
Right into the video. But yeah, let's get straight right into it. No chaser, guys.
Yeah.
So Jaime, tell us a little bit what was the catalyst for this market correction, not only in the stock market, but we're seeing Bitcoin tumble down to 43,000 at the time of recording this video, and also our favorite altcoins are all off pretty much 15-17%. So
two major catalysts. The Fed came out and basically said that by March they will start to be reducing quantitative easing. That's basically when the Fed pumps money into the stock market. So they basically pump up prices. They go in and they actually buy stocks and they increase prices, or what seems to be buyers, right? They're not retail buyers. It's the Fed doing that. And in doing so, it kind of keeps the prices high because they're just eating up whatever stocks that they choose to invest in. Also, they mentioned that they will be increasing interest rates. Now, this has been suggested for the longest time because we haven't had one in a long time, right? And also they've been printing money, so they have to kind of manage this level of volatility with inflation, deflation. So they're looking to increase the interest rates, which would then allow for people to hold more dollars or buy U.S. treasuries. And for us, it means, possibly huge volatility in the stock market, crypto market, all things affected.
yeah, and that's what we're seeing play out today. And it's so interesting, guys, because you are subscribed to Radical Investors, the place where you get the latest up to greatest, the latest information about investments. We literally told you, in the video that we posted yesterday or a couple of days ago, that this year was going to be choppy. You're going to see choppy waters.
Absolutely.
And exactly what's playing out. We're seeing that it's not just going to be up and to the right all the time.
Yeah.
And especially this year, we're going to have some issues.
Yeah, we're going to have some issues, and we're going to have to definitely look at our portfolios and see where you want to take profits and where you want to double down on projects, right?
Yes, and that's where I come in, right? Because that's what I love to do, is in times like this where there's blood in the streets, to make sure that you have your shopping list, right?
Absolutely.
It's like going to the discount store.
Big time.
Everything's on sale. I mean, in the stock world, some of our favorites, if you guys are subscribed to this channel, you know what our favorites are: DNA, Desktop Metal, MP, Beam, all of the therapeutics, gene therapeutic companies, a lot of the EV companies, Robinhood. I mean, Jesus Christ, Robinhood is 50% off now, basically, right? I know Robinhood isn't a favorite of the retail investor because of what they did with AMC, but Jesus Christ, is so discounted at this point. Even AMC is back to prices where you could have got like 7 months ago. So right now, everything, right? Every single stock, every single crypto project that we talk about is on sale right now. And you have to definitely make sure that you're looking at it and seeing if you can add to your bags. Because if we remember this, where we have long memories here at Radical Investors, we remember 2021 March, right? When the flu just hit, and there was a major crash like this as well, right? It came right back. And the people that were smart enough to understand that this flu wasn't going to be the end of times, they went in and they made big bets, and they, at the end of the year, were sitting very, 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 very nice, life-changing money. So if you have courage and you're smart about things and you've been watching Radical Investors videos, you know the plays to pick, and definitely you want to make sure that you're adding to your bag, bringing down your dollar cost averaging, and bringing down your averages on some of these projects.
Yeah, and remember, over here we're about the long-term profits, right? So these types of volatilities and huge drops are kind of built into the system already, so it comes with just being in the market. But if you have that long-term horizon on some strategic stocks, you're gonna be okay. Now, we do also momentum trade, right? We do also capitalize on opportunities and narratives, and I'm sure as to you guys are staying radical, and those are the plays where you definitely want to make sure you're taking profits on, right? Those plays you want to take profits, especially in a year like this, because there's going to be a lot of swings, right, for those type of plays. But for your long-term plays, look, you just got to keep that horizon. Don't do anything. Don't sell your desktop metal, guys. We do not sell nothing at a loss, okay? Do not sell your desktop metal. It's going to be amazing. All right, just keep holding on to that.
Desktop metal touched 450 today,
I know,
Jesus.
man. Yeah. It was, look, it's hard. It's hard for you guys like it is hard for us. But
Absolutely.
we always, you got to keep that long-term horizon. You got to keep that long-term horizon.
And the companies that we talk about on this channel, and the companies that we tell you guys to, or not tell you guys, or suggest on this channel, are companies that are fundamental to the future, right? And we do not see a world where Desktop Metal is not a player. We don't see a world where DNA, Ginkgo Bioworks doesn't have a room in the future. Tesla owns the future. These EV plays, they own the future. So, it's you can hoard your money on things like, I don't know, McDonald's, but we always will bet on the future.
Yeah, you have to. Just a quick story. So this was like basically back in 2008, right? I was working for an accounting firm at the time, and I was like a what do they call it? Not a staff, but the intern. I was an intern there, and I remember one of the staff accountants, cool guy, Eric, dude. I remember this was during the crash, right? He called his broker and he said, yeah, sell all of Apple. Sell all of my Apple. It was like at $89, guys. Crazy, right? This is Apple. This is during the iPhone coming out. But the emotions hit him, right? Because there was so much blood on the water and he was just trying to at least salvage some kind of funds. Now, think about that. That's Apple, right? There should be no reason to sell that type of company. It's the latest phone, but he sold it because of the crunch and the blood that he felt. So this is no different from what we're feeling right now, right? What people are feeling with just the market right now. It's super volatile, and your desktop metal, your DNA is being hit, but you have to kind of take a step back and look like, wait a minute, I'm investing in the future. The future is going to be here. Like, regardless, it don't matter what kind of volatility is happening, it's eventually going to come. So kind of keep that story in mind. This guy sold Apple at $89. It's probably like 100x probably from now, where it is now.
The moral of today's video, guys, is don't be Eric. Don't sell your Apple stock or your DNA stock or your desktop metal stock,
right,
or your Filecoin or your AR coin,
any of that,
or your Spell token.
None of your long-term plays.
Any of your long-term plays. Be mindful of the times that we're in. Stay blessed. Obviously, we're in this for the long haul. Radical Investors will be along this journey right here with you guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, happy hunting. Catch you on the next one.
Peace.